This is the new FMS Chevy K10 pickup truck. Look at how awesome this thing is. It is that retro look. It's got working taillights and headlights that could be controlled right from the remote. Look at this, you can even turn the blinkers on like that, turn them off, low beams and high beams. It's got the battery right inside here. Look at that, opens up. You got the lift gate that opens and closes like this. This thing is a beast. Full-time four-wheel drive like this. Has this nice remote that you can adjust all your trims and whatnot. But it's even got the little guy inside of it. Really durable, really awesome. Kids love this thing. I actually love it as an adult. It's so much fun, and you can get it right now in a TikTok shop. It is like 30% off right now, so don't miss out on this thing because it is awesome.